Lesson 6 Checking where public transportation is headed. Japanese theme is この電車は池袋に行きますか? It means does this train go to Ikebukuro? First of all, let's check the skit with English subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story. Okay then, let's begin.
すみません。
はい。
この電車は池袋に行きますか？
いいえ、行きません。池袋は山手線です。
山手線はどこですか
3番線です。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
Okay, next time, please focus on Japanese pronunciation and how to read it. Let's begin.
すみません。
はい。
この電車は池袋に行きますか？
いいえ、行きません。池袋は山手線です。
山手線はどこですか
3番線です。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
Okay, so let's check the vocabularies from the skit. Please repeat after me. The first word is すみません. And next one, はい。この電車池袋行く Okay, so I make the example sentence. Okay, please repeat after me. この電車は池袋に行きますか? Good. It means, does this train go to Ikebukuro? この電車は池袋に行きますか? So Ikebukuro is the name of the train station and it's located in the center of Tokyo. And another example sentence is here. Please repeat after me. この電車は東京に行きますか? Good. It means, does this train go to Tokyo? Okay. So let's back the material. Okay, next one. いいえ。山手線。どこ? Okay, I make example sentence. Okay, please repeat after me. 山手線はどこですか? Good. It means, where is the Yamanote line? So Yamanote line is the name of a train line. Okay, so another example sentence is here. Okay, please repeat after me. 京急線はどこですか? Good. It means, where is Keikyu line? So Yamanote line and the Keikyu line is just the name of a train line. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. 3番線. Okay, the train staff said like that. Okay, please repeat after me. 山手線は3番線です。Good. The Yamanote line is on line 3. 山手線は3番線です。Okay, next one. わかる。Good. So Tama-san said like that. Please repeat after me. わかりました。So わかりました means literally I understood. Or like it's like I see, I got it, like that. わかりました。Okay, so let's check the last one. ありがとうございます。 Good. So ありがとうございます means thank you very much. Or you just can say like ありがとう to your friends or family members or the people who is close to you. So ありがとう is a casual expression. Okay, that's the vocabularies. So let's move on to the skit section. In this section, please try to read the whole sentence together. Please repeat after me. すみません。はい。この電車は池袋に行きますか？いいえ、行きません。池袋は山手線です。山手線はどこですか？3番線です。わかりました。ありがとうございます。Okay, great. So let's move on to the key phrase section. Okay, so in this section, I will introduce the grammar. Okay, today's grammar is about checking where public transportation is headed. Example sentences. この電車は池袋に行きますか？ It means, does this train go to Ikebukuro? Okay, so to ask where public transportation is going, say このvehicle はロケーションに行きますか？この means this and goes before a noun. It shows you're asking about the vehicle in front of you. The particle に indicates the destination. 行きます is the verb 行く or to go in the mass form. Anyway, grammar is here. この vehicle はロケーションに行きますか？ That's it. So, for example, like here. Okay, again, let's check this example sentence. Please repeat after me. この電車は池袋に行きますか？ Good. It means, does this train go to Ikebukuro? Okay, you can change the vehicle like that. Okay, please repeat after me. このバスは池袋に行きますか？ Good. It means, does this bus go to Ikebukuro? Okay, so another example sentence is here. Okay, please repeat after me. この新幹線は京都に行きますか？ Good. It means, does this bread train go to Kyoto? Okay, so another example sentence is here. Okay, please repeat after me. この地下鉄は東京に行きますか？ Good. It means, does this subway go to Tokyo? Okay, so another example sentence is here. Okay, please repeat after me. この船は韓国に行きますか？ Good. It means, does this ship go to Korea? Okay, so another example sentence is here. Okay, please repeat after me. この飛行機はアメリカに行きますか？ Good. It means, does this plane go to the US? Okay, so another example sentence is like, it's a little bit another example sentence. Okay, please repeat after me. このタクシーはどこまで行けますか？ Good. It means, how far can this cab go? Because, taxi can go anywhere. So, このタクシーは このタクシーはブラブラに行きますか is a little bit weird example sentence. So I can change the example sentence like that. このタクシーはどこまで行けますか How far can this cab go? Okay, so anyway, you can change the public transportation and you can change the vehicle and the location like that. Okay, then let's move on to the next section. And let's try to read the short dialogue, which include a key phrase we studied. Okay, please repeat after me. この電車は秋葉原に行きますか？いいえ、行きません。秋葉原は一番線です。Good. So, the guy asked like that. このビークはロケーションに行きますか？この電車は秋葉原に行きますか？ Yeah, like that. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. In this section, please try to translate 3 sentences into Japanese. The first question, does this bus go to the airport? Transportation is, vehicle is bus, and the location is 空港. So in this case, you can say like that here. Okay, please repeat after me. このバスは空港に行きますか? Good. So when you come to Japan, I think this phrase is very useful. You can ask like, このバスは空港に行きますか? Yeah, does this bus go to the airport? Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Does this train go to Shinjuku? Okay, so vehicle is 電車 and the location is Shinjuku. So, in this case, you can say like that. Please repeat after me. この電車は新宿に行きますか? Okay, great. So Shinjuku is also located in the center of Tokyo, and thus the next to the Shibuya station. And Shinjuku is also your famous sightseeing spot in Japan. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Does this Shinkansen blood train go to Hiroshima? Okay, so vehicle is Shinkansen, and the destination is Hiroshima. So you can say like that. Please repeat after me. この新幹線は広島に行きますか? Great. Yeah, from Tokyo, Hiroshima is very far to, by using the train. So basically, we use the Shinkansen bread train to go to Hiroshima, and we don't use airplane. Yeah, anyway, you can say like that. この新幹線は広島に行きますか? Okay, great. So let's move on to the next step-up section. Okay, so this is about the numbers. Okay, so let's count 1 to 10. Okay, please repeat after me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so another one is here. Okay, please repeat after me. 100. The next one. 1000. Next one. 1万. Okay, like that. For example, here. Okay, please repeat after me. これいくらですか? Good. It means how much is this? And then the clerk would say like that. Okay, please repeat after me. 990円です. Good. It means it cost 990 yen. 990円です. Okay, so another one is here. Okay, please repeat after me. 8900円です. Good. It It means 8,900 yen. Okay, so one more expression here. Please repeat after me. 15,000 yenです。Good. It means 15,000 yen. Okay, anyway, if you count numbers, you can understand what they say. Yeah. Okay, great. So, let's move on to the skit video. Okay, so let's review the lesson again. Let's check the skit video and trick tip as well. And this time, please focus on understanding the whole story in Japanese. Okay then, let's begin.
Easy Japanese. Give it a try.
はい。
この電車は池袋に行きますか？
いいえ、行きません。池袋は山手線です。
山手線はどこですか
3番線です。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
Tam isn't shy about using Japanese. That's great.
Right. Talking with people is the best way to learn a language.
Today we'll learn how to ask if a certain kind of public transportation goes to your destination. Tam said, この電車は池袋に行きますか? The formula is transportation method plus the particle wa, then destination followed by に行きますか?
すみません。このバスは渋谷に行きますか？
はい、行きます。
ありがとうございます。すみません。この船はお台場に行きますか？
はい、行きます。
ありがとうございます。
Mass transit in Tokyo can be confusing.
That's why you need today's phrase. Now let's practice the pronunciation. この電車は池袋に行きますか? この電車は池袋に行きますか?
Trick tip. The boat we introduced earlier is a cruise ship on a river that runs through Tokyo. It looks out on different types of urban landscapes. The river flows into Tokyo Bay. This is a side of Tokyo only seen from the water. Today's kanji. Sakura, meaning cherry blossoms.
You'll master dozens of must-know phrases by completing the Easy Japanese series. 頑張って!
Okay, great. That's the lesson 6, checking where public transportation is headed. I hope you learned something new from this lesson. Okay, so see you next time.